Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video like this, you will be the first to notify. Join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and family. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about airdrop not opening. If you want to log into one airdrop, that's Telegram airdrop, and it's not opening, in this video I'm going to show you the solution that you can use and your airdrop is going to open. Like if your airdrop is showing you like this, once you click on the airdrop, it's showing you a blank space like this. It's not opening. In some other airdrop, they will show you different interface. So once the airdrop is not opening, this is the solution that you are going to use. And once you use this solution, your airdrop is going to open. So here are two ways on how you can solve this issue. The first step is by Telegram settings, and the second step is by app settings. So once you come to your Telegram, you are going to click on this icon, then you are going to click on settings. Remember, this is the first step. I'm going to show you the second step. So once you come here, you are going to still click on data and storage. Then it's going to take you to this interface. Then you are still going to click on storage usage, as you can see here on your screen. Then you are going to click on clear cache, and once you click on clear cache, you are still going to click on clear cache again. Then you can see it's cleaning, and you have successfully cleaned away corrupt links and data. So now we are going to jump into the second step, but make sure you wipe away your Telegram and make sure your Telegram is not running on the background. So you are going to click on your phone settings. Once you click on your phone settings, then you are going to scroll down. So for this video I'm using an Android phone. So once you scroll down, you are going to click on app management. So for iPhone, you are going to click on apps. That's for iPhone users. So once you click on app settings, then it's going to take you to another interface. Then once you come here, you are going to click on app settings. You can see here on your screen. Then you are going to click on this search bar. You can see your search bar, and you are going to click on it, and you are going to search for Telegram. Then once you search for Telegram, you are going to click on it, and once you click on it, then it's going to take you to this interface. So now you are going to click on storage and cache. You can see storage and cache. You are going to click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to click on clear storage. You can see clear storage. Then you are going to click on clear cache. And once you click on clear cache, then you are still going to confirm it again, and here you can see it's clearing. So once you are done, then you will come back and you are going to click on clear cache. So once you click on clear cache, then this is the first step. So now we are going to jump into the second step. So you come back and you are going to click on force stop. Then you are going to click on OK. So once you click on OK, then now we go back to our Play Store. So once you come back to your Play Store, then you are going to update the Telegram. You can see, you are going to see update here. So you are going to update the Telegram, and then you click on open. So now once you click on open, it's going to take you back to the Telegram. Then you log in to the airdrop, and once you log into the airdrop, it's going to open. Remember that I'm just guiding you on on how you can solve the problem once it gets to you. And if you are not facing this problem, then no need for you to follow this step. So guys, if you have any challenges, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and let's interact in the comment section. Bye.